Hi, this is Shane Grantham with Grantham Consulting. I'm working on a laptop tonight and I don't have any local output on the screen. I've actually got this laptop disassembled and I've also got it running at the same time. And you can see the lights, power lights here. And the keyboard's even working. If you look right here, the cap lock, I can get it to toggle on and off. So I'm trying to determine if the display's defective or not, because I don't have any signal. What you can do when you have a issue like this is use the VGA video output on the side of the laptop or in the back. If you look right here, it's usually a blue connector. It's hard to see in the dark, but if you connect this to it, and I have an external monitor, then you can toggle the display usually with the function key. On this one it's an F4 key. Looks like a little TV monitor on the key right there. I can try and toggle the display, and if you look up here on my external monitor, and the cable's running down here, it's plugging into the VGA. I know the video card on the laptop is okay because the external display is defective. So I'm looking at the cable that goes to the video connector on the motherboard to see if it's going to break or not. But I got a hunch this display's bad. And it connects back here with a ribbon cable, if you look right here. It goes down into the motherboard. But I got a hunch this is defective. And if you want to look at the laptop, you can see it, but underneath here it's running. The fan's running. There's the hard drive. And here's where the CD goes. But it's kind of amazing I got it apart and got it running. But that's all from Grantham Consulting. Thank you.